I'm Clay Conley, chef and co-owner of Grato restaurant. Grato started out as a classic Italian restaurant, pizzas, pastas. But lately we've kind of evolved the menu to do a little bit more of a worldly cuisine. Today we're going to do a riff on a classic dish of clams with red sauce. Let's head to the kitchen.
4 ounces of diced bacon, 1 ounce of fish sauce, 2 ounces of sesame oil, 1 ounce of minced ginger, 6 cloves of sliced garlic, 2 sliced jalapenos, 1 diced white onion, 2 Star Anise Pod, 1.5 ounces of soy, 2 ounces of white sugar, 2 ounces of blended oil, 6 ounces of half cherry tomatoes, 8 ounces of Chinese sausage, 40 white water clams, 1 ounce of finely chopped Thai basil, 1 ounce of roughly chopped cilantro, 1 ounce of roughly chopped mint, 1 56-ounce can of San Marciano Peel tomatoes, and 28 ounces of water.
So you want to start with a medium-sized sauce pot over pretty high heat. Add the oils, the sesame and the blended oil, along with the bacon, jalapeno, onion, and garlic. Once the vegetables are translucent, probably 15 minutes or so, you're going to add the sugar and just melt the sugar slightly before adding the soy, the Star Anise pods, the water, and the tomatoes. I normally crush the tomatoes up with my hand, right up to a boil, and then turn it down to a simmer for about 45 minutes. We're going to pass it through a chinois. Now we're going to go to the brick oven. If you don't have a brick oven at your house, which probably most of you don't, you can do this on top of the stovetop. In a ripping hot pan, add the oil and the sausage and the clams. Return to the oven. Now I'm adding the tomato broth. I'm going to return to the oven and cover. Again, if you don't have an oven, you can do this all on top of the stovetop. Once the clams are open, you're ready to go. Add the chopped tomatoes and drizzle in the fish sauce. Add the herbs, the Thai basil, mint, cilantro, toss, and plate in the bowl. It's probably enough for about 3 or 4 people. We're going to top this with homemade sesame bread. It's basically pizza dough with black and white sesame seeds pressed into the top with a little bit of sea salt. There you have it, our whitewater clams dish. You can try this and many other seasonally inspired dishes here at Grato in West Palm Beach.